Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. In case you are stopping by this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Eukaria, YouTube name Black and Shine. I am a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button so that you become part of this family. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 360 wig cap at home. So the wig cap we'll be using for this is wig cap with strap. We all know this wig cap in the market is very popular and is the cheapest. So the first thing you should do is to place the wig cap on top of your dummy. Use your pins to pin it down. So guys, as you can see the strap at the back, we are not going to be cutting it out. That is what we are going to use. So when you wear this, the strap is going to hold your hair. You don't need to attach any elastic band again. So we are going to go ahead and cut off this extra flap at the back of the wig cap.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me.
So guys, we are going to do the same at the front of the wig cap. We are going to cut that flap at the front. Then this hard part of the wig cap, we are not going to be using it. We are going to use only the stretched part of the wig cap. So the hard part is going out.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels.
So guys, so many questions are coming in about this net, where they can find it and what they will tell the seller. So this net can be found in any tailoring material around you. In fact, it's better you go to the market where they have tailoring material shops. Just go there and ask them of sewing nets. They will bring out varieties of it. Make your choice. Look for the one that has a good quality that can serve you very well as well. So guys, that is where you are going to buy this net. So they have a lot of it. So when you go there, you make your choice. So it's time to attach the net to the wig cap. So what I'll do now is just to use this dummy as my measurements. So this is a big headed dummy. So I will just place the net and measure it. Use my pin to pin it round. You understand? Make sure you are pinning it together with the black net, because that is how you are going to sew it. The way you pin it is the way you are going to sew it round. So guys, let me allow you guys to watch this part and understand better.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all.
So guys, when you are done sewing it round, the next thing you will do is to cut out the part of the net that you are not using. But before you cut it, as you can see on the screen, make sure you add 2 inches. Do not make the net to be too tight on the dummy before you cut out. After cutting it out, go ahead and use your needle and thread to sew it. Stitch that part and your wig cap is ready. Your 360 wig cap is ready. So guys, I believe you enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share this video so that others can learn as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time on my next tutorial. Bye.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine?